contents.
Objectives. Things to remember. 11 qualities that make video editors great. Definition of terms. Video editing using VSDC and Active Presenter. Creating output using Active Presenter. At the end of the session, teachers are expected to 1. Create video lessons more easier using the basic platform. 2. Learn new ideas and techniques in video editing. 3. Develop self-confidence in facing the new normal in teaching learning process.
Things to remember. 1. Choose the right software. The key here is to choose what works for you and your editing style instead of just the latest, most advanced video editing program out there. When choosing a video editor, it's all about control. 2. Use a fast computer. Use a computer, which is fast enough to store huge files and allows you to focus more on editing work with no worries.
Three. Maintain an efficient workflow. Nothing says speedy workflow like being able to find exactly what you want, in the least possible time. 4. 2 is the magic number. It's always best to keep a copy of your project directory on your computer and on a separate hard drive somewhere else.
5. Use a second source for sound. This is a quick solution for better audio, and you should always seek to avoid any on-camera microphones as your primary sound source. 6. Vary your shots. Keep your content visually interesting. Try to vary things up with more interesting angles. 7. Add text and graphics. Keep it simple, with a clean and white sans serif font that doesn't grab too much attention.
11 qualities that make video editors great. 1. A lot of coffee. 2. Patience is a virtue. 3. Super communication skills. 4. Thick skin. 5. Good finger reflexes. 6. Excellent sense of pace and timing. 7. Working on little to no sleep. 8. Empathetic. 9. Vampire-like adaptability to darkness. 10. A computer system that strikes fear into every NLE. 11. Humbleness.
Definition of terms. Editing is typically the final process that happens before a video gets to final viewing. If you've had to make a video yourself, you'll also know it can be a time-consuming process. Active Presenter. A screencasting and e-learning software for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS X which can be used to create software demonstrations, software simulations, and quizzes. VSDC Free Video Editor. A nonlinear editing, NLE, application developed by Flash Integro, LLC. The program is capable of processing high-resolution footage including 4K UHD, 3D and VR 360-degree videos. VSDC allows for applying post-production effects, live color correction, and motion tracking. Nonlinear editing, linear vs nonlinear. A form of offline editing for audio, video, and image editing. In offline editing, the original content is not modified in the course of editing. In nonlinear editing, edits are specified and modified by specialized software.
Video editing using VSDC and Active Presenter. Step 1. Open a project or import PowerPoint.
Click to start a new project. Click to record a video through webcam or from file. Click to record everything from your screen. Simulation will be visible when recording stopped. Click to use ready-made PowerPoint from your files. At this time, click Import PowerPoint.
Step 2. Adding videos to PowerPoint. You are now prompted with imported PowerPoint. Click to add video. Select webcam to record your video. After clicking you will be prompted with the settings. If you are using multiple cam, click to choose which camera is best for use. If you are using another audio input device, click to choose the best device. Use of noise reduction headset is recommended. When everything seems to be okay, Click to record. Recorded video will be visible after recording stopped. Your video is now ready. Repeat the process for each slide if you want to explain or discuss the content of your PowerPoint. Step 3. Text-to-speech. You can decide either to use or not to use this feature. This will let your computer read each text from your presentation. It will give you time to breathe and relax.
1. Click on Properties. 2. Highlight the text to read. 3. Click Audio icon. 4. Click to select from the list of voices. 5. Click to hear the voices. 6. Click to turn text to speech. Step 4. Adjust timeline. When you're done with Step 3, it is necessary to adjust the sequence from the timeline to put everything in order. Failure to do so might ruin your presentation. Note: cutting and splitting is applicable only to video or webcam recordings. 1. Select recordings you want to cut or split. 2. Be sure that this green line is on the part to cut or split. 3. Click to split video. Delete unneeded segment of the video. 4. Click play to check. You're almost done. Step 5. Export video. When everything seems to be okay, it's about time to export video. 1. Click to export project. 2. Choose which application to use, example, video. 3. Click to use format. 4. Click to start or cancel exporting video.
Exporting on process. Congratulations! Now, you can create output using Active Presenter. Please, like, share and subscribe. This is Chongjo. Thank you for watching.